Unity means we connect across communities to advance educational opportunities for all.
I think unity to me means coming together for the betterment of our students. Everyone from the kids themselves to the staff to the parents, we come together to work to help our children be the best that they can be.
At Desert Mountain, I am the upcoming president of our student government, the president of our DECA club, the president of our ambassadors club, the president of our drama club, and the treasurer of our NHS, which I know is a lot, but through unity, I always feel supported. When I plan events for the school, the very first step is to make sure everyone's voice is heard. And with all this feedback, we're able to unite in order to make the best decision possible for our student body events.
Unity is important for all of our staff across the district, between schools, because our students move from school to school. We see that our students will move from complex to complex, school to school, and they need to know that that support is going to be there wherever they end up. We are a unified school district, so that unity, that communication, that support between schools is key to the success of our students.
When people unite on a front together, it creates a sense of pride. It creates a sense of spirit and brings people together. When everyone is united, when everyone shows up to the football games, when everyone shows up to the school musicals, when everyone shows up to watch people perform in color guard, people are united and people are more willing to do stuff and have a pride with SUSD.
As a parent, when you connect with your student, with your classroom teacher, with your administration, and connect with your school community in general, your students see the excitement, they see the love that you have for learning and the support that you have for them, and that is crucial in their progress within the general education classroom.
I believe that my parents were the biggest inspirations for me on how important unity is.
It feels so great to walk into a building every day and know that I have a united team behind me and I have people that have my back, and having that base level support before I even greet a student in the morning is such an incredible feeling.
I'm proud to uplift SUSD values.